Hey friend, and welcome back to another exciting video. So today I'm going to be making a hair mask, kind of a protein treatment, because I've noticed that my hair started getting dry, and I guess it's as a result of using a lot of Ayurvedic herbs. Even if it's helping my hair to grow, I guess it's still drying out my hair. So I'm going to be making this hair mask so that my hair will be able to absorb more moisture and retain moisture when I seal in moistures on my protective style. Exactly. So the first thing I'm going to be using is bananas, and I decided to use a very soft banana just because I want it to really blend in well as a puree, and I don't want it to have lumps. Exactly. The next thing I'm going to be adding to this hair mask is a fat-free yogurt. I decided to use fat-free yogurt just because I decided to use it. You can use any yogurt of your choice, it is fine. And then I'm going to be going in with 1 raw egg and then honey. Why am I adding honey? I am adding honey to this hair mask because we know that honey is a humectant. It helps to attract moisture to your hair. It will help you to seal in more moisture. So that is why I am using honey. You can use syrup or any other humectant of your choice. And the last thing I'm going to be adding to this hair mask is olive oil. If you've been on this channel for a long time, you will know I love olive oil just because my hair loves it and it just does the job for me. You can use any oil of your choice. And then I'm going to blend this together and ensure that I get a very smooth consistency. I'm going to ensure that I get a very smooth taste. Yes. After blending it, I'll be transferring it into a clean bowl, and this is what it looks like. Yes, this is what the mixture looks like, guys. You would want to try this hair mask. It's not so thick. I decided to make it a little bit lighter because I'm not going to be using heat on my hair, and I just want it to penetrate easily into my scalp. I decided to turn this hair mask into this applicator bottle, thinking that it was going to help me to apply this easily on my hair, but the stress was something else. I felt like I was fighting World War III because this thing was not giving. It wasn't coming out easily from this applicator bottle, and I had to revert back to putting this into a bowl and just applying it directly on my hair with the help of my hand. And as you can see, it's much easier, is much fatter, and I'm enjoying what I am doing. So the next thing I did was that I started dividing my hair into smaller sections so that the application of this hair mask will not just be easier, but it's going to go smoothly, and I do not want to have tangles at the end of the day or in course of doing this, and that is what I'm doing. Guys, if your hair is getting dry, if you notice that your hair is not able to retain moisture for a long time, if you just notice that you're having lots and lots of shedding than you usually have before, if you also want to add more shine to your hair, then trust me, banana, egg, yogurt, honey, very important, and olive oil or any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, you can use almond oil, you can use avocado oil, you can use sweet grape oil. Any of these oils you can add to your hair mask. They are going to do your hair a lot of good. Do you want to try this hair mask? Because my hair has been drying out lately so quickly, so I have to moisturize over and over again. I mean, who has that time? I'm a mom, I'm working, I have a lot of things I'm doing. I would not have that time to consistently moisturize my hair. At least if I can moisturize my hair 4 times a week, it is okay. But because my hair is drying out, I practically have to moisturize my hair every single day in my protective style, and most times you may not have that kind of time. So you would want to do a protein treatment. You want to do this kind of hair mask for your hair. It will help you to start retaining moisture for a longer time. It will help your hair to bounce back. It will give you that shine. It will basically just bring your hair back to life. When you try this hair mask, you're going to come back to this channel and thank me more. And above all, it's going to strengthen your hair strands, because when your hair is dry and brittle, we know that your hair will start breaking, your hair will start shedding. So using this hair mask will basically help your hair to stop drying out so you can retain moisture. And when you can retain moisture, when your hair is properly moisturized, we know that your hair will break less. And when your hair is breaking less, it just equals to the fact that you can retain more length and your hair will grow. So you would want to try these hair masks. How long should you apply these hair masks? I'll personally say you should apply these hair masks if your hair is low porosity. You know you do not want a lot of protein on your hair, so you can apply these hair masks 2 times. You can apply this hair mask, once in 2 months. If your hair is high porosity, you can do this every single month. Yes, that is what I would personally say. But however, just basically understand and know what your hair needs per time. Guys, can you see my hair? It helped my curls to bounce back. It basically gave my hair this shine, and I love the look. I really love the look. I love how my hair feels right now. My curls are bouncing, my hair is shining. I think I'm going to try this more often. Is this something you have tried before, or did you switch the ingredients you use? I actually want to know in the comment section. I actually want to know what you think. Guys, I love the way my hair feels right now, and this is it. This will also help in the general health of your scalp. Let me know if you're going to try these hair masks in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to use exact ingredients or you're going to use something else. Thank you for watching this video up until this time. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it with this heat cap, but in this particular instance, I actually doubled the heat cap or shower cap. Yes, I doubled it just to help these hair masks go into my hair very well. If you're going to try this, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching up until this time. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. You're just encouraging this small YouTube growing channel. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed and bye.